So what type of shoes before put on? Want sneakers? Bro, what's that? Guys, I said I was gonna walk out here, probably gonna get sick of work, you know, but guess what?
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make you for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg.
What you cured him? Oh my god. What's that? Snow in Georgia. Yes guys, I am in the light now, come from my room. But if the clip, when I'm gonna edit, if the clip that I just showed you is not that clear, I use my phone to record some of it, but not like, you know, because this camera, the lighting outside was not really good, so I might have to try to turn the brightness up on this specific clip. If I sound out of better because me I run up and down the stairs, I'm full of excitement because I never see, guys, I never see snow, you know. I'm only see that on TV. This is coming like when country come to town. Oh my god, because I never believe it, because every year since we move here, them say, oh, we get snow, we don't get no snow at all. If I not get snow, I sleep and mommy call me and say, snow outside. So me draw on my little jacket and something, and just me look rough, matter still in my eye. Oh my god, this is such an amazing sight to see. Such an amazing sight to see. All the people in Georgia, please stay safe, because eventually it's going to turn to ice, and them still might can't go work, and they close some of the schools. Some places, some workplaces have already been closed. So stay safe, and I'm going back to my bed because I don't think I can go to work today because my driveway is full of snow. But anyways guys, I will talk to you guys a little later. If I don't go to work, we say back on it, you guys will see me back on the camera. Okay, it's a little brighter now. Why you didn't go home, sir? You're on the vlog.
Turn around for what?
Go your yard.
It's
gonna get icy. How my mommy say me have to go walk.
Come out at the driveway.
Mommy say me have to go walk. NJ, look at snow. Look at snow, NJ. As a Rashad come outside and Rashad say, oh, true. You're up on the vlog, girl. Tell them I. Come, girl, tell them I. Don't be shy. So guys, I had to go get my little Tim. Come out here, and I had to change my shoes. Oh my, you have to take your time and walk. So what type of shoes before put on? Want sneakers? Huh? Why? Cause it's slippery? So what kind of shoes I must put on?
Like some nigga, like ridges.
But do they have any slides? Typical Jamaican. Watch out guys, snow. Oh, I'm experiencing snow. I'm so happy. Come here, baby. I said I was gonna walk out here, probably gonna get sick of work, you know, but guess what? He's making a snowball. Who you gonna throw it on? Not me. Don't play with me like that. Look guys.
It's still like water.
Yeah, it's still like water. Look over there. It's so pretty. It looks like, you know, the movies. Me not go all the way up there, so Look at the snowball. Watch your snowball, daddy.
Slow sipper, you know. It's kind of sipper.
Yeah, man, the driver is stupid to come back though. But watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Alright, Jason, later then. Alright, cool.
Watch them. Snow.
Take a picture of you, Mr. Baggy Auntie.
Who, me? I'm not the best attire.
So?
Snow time. You hear that echo? Snow. Gonna make a snowman later, but I'm going inside now. My fingers are burning me and it's getting heavier. It feel like rain. It don't feel like, it just feel like rain and come down now with the snow. But I will talk to you guys a little later. I guess I go full of ice, you know.
Yes, there is. I'm like, you're on the side.
I will come back outside in a proper gear. Because we have work for go and yeah, see if we can come up. Look on Publix. Look at the road. Where's your... Bro, me. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today is Saturday. So we had snow yesterday and now it's the aftermath of the snow. The driveway is filled with ice. We can't move because the snow is melting. I can't go all the way up to the top. I didn't go to work yesterday and it seems that we can't go to work today either. But people are driving on the road, so it seems that the road is probably clear, but it's just the driveway is the issue. Let me show you. So these are little foot tracks. We were trying to see if we could go up. But this is how outside looks now. All the ice, all that snow you saw yesterday is melting. It turns into ice. The trees look pretty. The trees look like crystals. I need to work on my zoom. You see people driving. I just woke up though, because if I look a little rough, I just wake up outside cold bad. Okay, so here is cracked, but I'm not gonna chance it to go all up the top. I'm not doing that because there's a sidewalk. You can't walk on the sidewalk. I'm not gonna brave myself to do that. This is the side of the house. Oh no, the carpet is full of snow or ice, whatever. Hey guys, I am back. I ended up going to work today. Yeah, So my manager came and got me because like nobody was at work, and I ended up going in. He saw the whole state of the driveway, came back. My boyfriend and my dad, they like sweeped or shoveled off the ice that was there so we could go back and forth, because the roads are clear. It seems that they cleared the roads last night, like late last night or early this morning, but the sidewalks leading from my house to walk, they're filled with ice, so I could not walk. So somebody had to pick me up from work. And everything was like back in regular swing. You would never believe that a little snowstorm came to Georgia. But nonetheless, I hope everyone in Georgia stayed safe, and some people lost power. Hope everybody gained back their power. Prayers out to the people in California. I've been seeing the videos and the clips, and oh my god, it's just a crazy world right now. It's really just a crazy world. It's burning out in California and it's snowing in Georgia. That's a sign to me. But there's prayers out there for you guys. Prayers out for everyone. This is just gonna be the last part of this video. Basically, I have school Monday, God's will. So I'm gonna probably make a video doing my maintenance, like lashes, hair, nails, because I am not going to nobody right now. And it's so cold, so I am wrapped up in bed. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday night because I don't have work tomorrow. So yeah, we gonna end it right here, y'all. We're gonna leave it there, so we're gonna turn it there. So big up on yourself. Thank you for supporting. Please subscribe, please like the video, comment if you want to. Help me to build up my engagement so I can be on y'all's home screen. And big up to everybody in the group chat. Big up on a nice clean self. I don't understand what I just said, but big up to you all. Big up to all my supporters, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.